Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy TikTok coins with a Visa gift card. Start by checking your card balance and registering the card online if needed. Next, add the card as a payment method in your app settings and verify the billing details match your registration. Finally, choose the coin package you want, authorize the charge, and confirm the purchase in the app to receive coins instantly. Begin by opening TikTok and navigating to your profile payment settings to add a new card. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown on the card, and use your registered name if required. After adding the card, choose the coin bundle you want and follow the prompts to authorize the charge. Wait for confirmation and check your coin balance to ensure the purchase processed successfully. If a purchase fails, first verify the card has enough balance and try a smaller coin bundle. Contact the card issuer if the card is declined even with sufficient funds, because some cards need activation or merchant permissions. If TikTok blocks gift cards in your region, consider converting the card balance to an accepted payment method or use a different card. Always keep receipts and screenshots to help resolve disputes quickly and calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.